What's up YouTube? Welcome to another 30 tutorials. I'm PEDRO Salgado and I'm here to teach you how to do parkour. This week's technique is going to be the speed vault and the safety or speed step as well. So let's go through the steps right now. So before we go into any steps, I'm going to explain what a speed step is and what is a speed vault. So a speed step is a way to overcome an obstacle or to absorb impact, to go down to an obstacle with your feet and hand at the same time. Very simple and very safe. The speed vault is a similar technique, but it consists in go over the obstacle as fast as possible. It's the fastest vault of all. Step number one of the speed step, it's the takeoff. It's how you run into the obstacle and jump on top of it. Basically, you want to jump with only one leg. It depends on which side you want to do the speed step. You're going to jump with one or other leg. So if you're going to do the speed step with your left hand, you're going to jump with your left leg because you're going to put your right leg on top at the same time as you put the opposite hand. You want to jump into the obstacle like it's a running jump, but you're going to slant your body to one of the sides, the side that you're doing the speed step. Step number two of the speed step, it's the actual technique. It's when you place your body on top of the obstacle and how do you pass the obstacle to the other side. So you place your left hand, if you go on the left side, and your opposite foot, the right foot. And then the leg that stays behind, which was the jumping leg in the step number one, it's going to tuck and pass through the hand and the leg through the other side. So the leg that jumps is the leg that is going to be landing in the other side. So you speed step and you land in the other side and you keep running, or you can land in the precision however you want to land. So let's go for the speed vault. The speed step and the speed vault are very similar. The only difference is when you do the speed vault, you don't use the feet on top of the obstacle. So you're gonna jump on the step number one. You jump, you lean to one of your side. You're gonna use the hand to swipe back the obstacle and to push it down. So when you push it down the obstacle, your body returns to a vertical position. So you jump, you lean, you tap, and you come back to the running. The stepping is basically the step that you use, the leg that you use to jump is gonna be the leg that you're gonna use for the landing. So you're going to pretend that you do a speed step, you jump and you put the opposite leg on top, but you don't touch it, the leg keeps there, and then you go through with the other leg and you land and keep running. I recommend you to start practicing the speed step first and then evolve into the speed vault, because they are very similar techniques, but these vaults are used for different things. No matter how you use it, it's up to you what you're going to do with it. The creativity is always yours. I'm just giving you the technique. Stay tuned for the progressions and good luck. Thank you guys for watching. It was a pleasure to teach you these techniques, the speed vault and the safety. Let me know in the comments down below which technique do you want me to teach you next week, and stay tuned for more POVs, tutorials and training videos on this channel. See you there as fast as you can.